I'll tell you why, Mr. Pathan. Don't be an anti-national. Suraj Palamuk, be quiet. Watch that and be ashamed of yourself. Who the hell are you to do this to my country?
भारतीय चैनल्स पर तो ये मनाज़िर आपने बहुत देखे होंगे, जहां मेजबान का मेहमान को बुलाने का एक ही मकसद होता है कि किसी भी तरह उसको गलत दिखाया जाए या उसकी तजलील कर दी जाए।
कोई भी ऐरा गहरा आकर ZNCL के खिलाफ बोल जाएगा।
मगर अब यही रिवायात मगरबी मीडिया में भी इसराइल के गजा पर हमलों के बाद नजर आ रही है, जहां जब उनके पास इसराइली बर्बरियत का कोई जवाब बाकी नहीं बचता तो वो फलस्तीनियों के हक में बात करने वालों को किसी भी तरह गलत साबित करना चाहते हैं। यही सूरत हाल पिछले दिनों बरतानवी सहाफ़ी पियर्स मॉर्गन के शो पर पेश आई, जब वो इस बात पर तुल गए कि किसी भी तरह जेरेमी कॉर्बिन को हमास का हमदर्द साबित कर दें या फिर हाउस ऑफ कॉमन्स के साबिक अपोजिशन लीडर हमास को दहशतगर्द तंजीम मान लें।
It's not your show, it's mine. And I keep asking you the same question. Would you keep Hamas in power?
What I said was there has to be a ceasefire. A ceasefire has to be both sides.
You think Israel can do peace with Hamas?
Israel has been talking to Hamas for 20 years. If you want to have a discussion, fine.
Answer my question.
If you want to just shout at me, that's your prerogative, your TV, your show.
Should Hamas stay in power?
Listen, what I said was a ceasefire means a ceasefire. It means both sides have to cease fire.
Yeah.
It means you then...
No, you said that. Should Hamas stay in power? It's actually
Are you done yet?
It's actually a critical question.
Are you done yet?
It's a critical question.
Are you done yet?
No, it's the question.
Are you done yet?
Should they stay in power?
Are you done yet?
This country says they're a terror group. Are they a terror group? Prepared to call Hamas a terror group? Are they a terror group?
Part of the process.
Are they a terror group?
Can we go?
Why can't you say it?
Reality is,
let him answer, Len. Don't talk for Jeremy Corbyn.
All you want to do is bully people.
मगर आखिर पियर्स मॉर्गन जेरेमी कॉर्बिन के पीछे क्यों हाथ धोकर पड़े हैं? इसकी बुनियादी वजह है उनकी ये तकरीर।
And when Sunak and Braverman denounce us as being part of a march of hate, the only march of hate I've seen recently is the far right trying to divide and destroy our communities. We're here together. We're every community. We're every faith. We're every religion. We're every language. We are a people who will not be divided by this because our unity is in solidarity with people under occupation. Yes, supporting the people of Gaza today, but also supporting the people of the West Bank under occupation. Horror story of the past months, the horror story of the bombardment and the loss of life on all sides has united people in a growth of understanding of what this conflict is really about.
ये पहली दफा नहीं कि पियर्स मॉर्गन ने फलस्तीनी आवाज़ों को दबाने की कोशिश की हो, मगर हर बार ही उनका वार उलट पड़ जाता है, जिसकी हालिया मिसाल बासिम यूसुफ के साथ होने वाला उनका मशहूर ज़माना इंटरव्यू है।
Looking at the camera, I don't see you. I can hear you on my ear.
The reason I'm interrupting is I think you might be. I think you're conflating different interviews with Benjamin. Play to you what he actually said on my show.
He did. Go back to your interview.
No, he didn't. That was another interview. Designed
to
provoke. No, here's my question. Let me ask you a question. And the question, because you raised it earlier about proportion. I honestly don't know what the proportionate response is.
What is the exchange rate for today? So you guys will be happy. That's my question.
Well, it's not me. It's not me, guys. I'm not on either side.
उम्मीद करते हैं कि पियर्स मॉर्गन को इसराइली बमबारी में जाँ बहक होने वाले 11,000 से ज़ायद फलस्तीनी, जिनमें 5,000 मासूम बच्चे भी शामिल हैं, बमबारी का निशाना बने अस्पताल और रेफ्यूजी कैंप्स भी नजर आएंगे, ताकि वो ये जान सकें कि असल दहशतगर्द कौन है और मजलूम कौन है।
मज़ीद न्यूज़ अपडेट्स और डिजिटल स्टोरीज के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें डॉन न्यूज़ पाकिस्तान।